Hi everyone, this is Jivesh Shukla and I am a proud student of Uttaranchal University where dreams take shape and excellence define every single step. Located in beautiful city Dehradun, our campus combines nature's calm with modern and progressive learning environment. Uttaranchal University has made a significant impact by entering in QS World Ranking. It holds NAC E+ grade and NIRF 75th under pharmacy category and ranked among top institutions in India. Remarked under Times Higher Education Impact Ranking, 5th nationally, 25th globally for its commitment towards clean and affordable energy. Here, education goes beyond classrooms. Every student gets a proper platform to grow and explore new possibilities with innovative programs and advanced labs with experienced faculty. Campus life is full of opportunities from cultural events, sports to skill building and placements that prepare confident future leaders. At Uttaranchal University, we learn to believe in ourselves and in a bright tomorrow.